Hi guys, as you can see this is another day now. Me and John ran out of battery. When did we even do it? It was a couple of days later actually, because I've had work and John's also had work. So this morning, what time is it now? It's only now 10, but this morning someone had to get me to a garage at 8:20 in the morning. Hello John.
Yeah.
So I've done a
car.
night shift last night, waking night, unlike this one that could sleep.
Which, please may I add, I didn't sleep very well.
And
I mean, what time was we up till talking?
don't know, late. Yeah. So we've done some runs this morning. Got a pasty, Cornish oven. Yes.
Flaky chip.
Yeah, and crumbs all over me. Cake. And yeah, we've just gone and got some supplies. We've got some seam sealer, some body filler. What else we get? Oh, paint.
Well, primer.
And more sandpaper. So we're going to do that this morning, crack on with it again. I've just put the battery on charge for the grinder, so I'll get that in like an hour, but we can continue sanding and all. So we're going to continue sanding, go up, get the battery, cut the tub out, get all that seam sealer off,
And then stop primer.
redo the seam sealer, no, filler, seam sealer, sand, and then maybe start priming today. We'll see how far we get, but
We won't be able to prime to death. We seam sealer today.
yeah, it dries quite fast. Apparently we can't seam sealer and paint in one day.
Well, it's just still going to be wet, isn't it?
Lucky I'm not over there.
Want some?
Our garage has heaters. We don't have a garage.
We don't have heaters.
We have the weather and outside. So yeah, we will keep you informed. So we're down at the car. John's just doing some wire brushing. Trying to get that seam sealer off, eh? What? Oh, is it that that's not working properly then? Do you reckon it's a bit overload for the drill? So yeah, we're going to get all the seam sealer off, and then we'll start cutting this other tub. So John's cutting some stuff off now. We've seam sealed as much as we can. So yeah, we're going to try and get all the tabs off now. There's just a few more we need to cut off now we've got the battery charged again. So what tabs are we cutting off, John?
This ABS one. So that holds half of the ABS tower, and then that holds the top part. So we're going to take them out as we're going to hard run it off the slave.
And that other one there, aren't we?
That one there. Yeah, I'm not sure what it does.
No, the one on the bulkhead, the battery tray.
Oh, the battery tray. Yeah, we're going to take that out.
These two, this coil pack holder, that's coming out, and this, cutting that out. Also tab we're cutting out. So yeah.
Might make the gearbox tunnel a bit bigger.
No, you won't.
You won't do it.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Sam and John. Hello John.
Hello.
So as you can see, we done a buy the other day, but we've never used it. It's very windy today, so we thought we'd put it up. It's very challenging in the wind because this just acts as like a windbreak and it tries blowing away. And we got concrete here, so it's quite hard, and it keeps falling apart. So it was a sensible idea to put it up, really. Wasn't it, John?
Yeah.
So we'll get it up and let's get back to this video. So we've just pretty much built our own little garage. Let's go take a tour. Got to walk in around. Ooh, saloon, sexy. Gay. Knock knock. Delivery. How'd you feel about the garage, John?
It's amazing.
How amazing.
Like amaze balls, like we're not going to get wet.
Literally took us like, what, 40 minutes to put this up? Half an hour?
And it kept falling apart.
And it kept falling apart. It's not now though. I say it's not now. But it's better than being outside in the wind. Pepsi's. Literally.
Oh, and you just fucking split one of them.
So literally I just spilt coffee all over the bonnet. Starbucks, like £7 on coffee. I just spilt all over the bonnet. And now I've just went and got Pepsi and decided to fucking crack that open as well. How do you feel, John? Do you know that thing where they crack it and just drink it?
No, okay.
Alright. So yeah, we're going to get cracking on this bad boy in a minute. Let's go! So we're just getting started now. So yesterday, what did we do, John? We filled all this.
Well, I attempted.
We attempted to fill this. Like, we put it all around the
Like little dimples and
the arm. Just getting it all nice and smooth, just so it looks a bit better when we get the engine in, and here, all along here.
Right, so when we paint it, it's like a lot smoother and it's got like no runs and shit.
Yeah, well, you say no runs, but there's probably going to be lots of runs.
Me and you, so yeah, probably.
Lots of curry, lots of runs.
But if there is, we'll just sand it all back and do it all again.
We're literally taking our time on this, getting it right. Well, trying to get it right as much as our ability we can.
I would just like to say this is the first time of us actually doing this.
Yeah, this is the first time doing body work. So, yeah, we'll sand. I'm not going to video sanding because it's going to be pointless because that's just boring. We want boring content, do we, John?
No.
Boring. So yeah, we'll just keep sanding. Anything that we do, we'll update you, whatever, and just see what it looks like after. So a little update. We've just cut the tub out. The other side, all gone, nice and clean, decent, and we've cut a couple of brackets, haven't we, John? How's your drink? Got some coffee. Oh, haven't got any.
Oh wait, yeah, it's all on the floor.
Oh, there's your coffee. And we've just cut, what, a couple of brackets off there?
Yeah, just cut brackets down there, up there, all the brackets off this side.
Just done that
know
one.
What that's for, so just gonna leave it there, I think.
Yeah, until we figure out what it's for.
I mean, we can always cut that out whilst the engine's in.
Just cut the engine out.
Yeah, I'm not scared. It's not my.
Technically it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a little update. And I've just started like sanding all down there. There was quite a bit of filler up there. So I've sanded all that.
My drink.
Okay. Yeah. Keep on sanding now. That's all we can really do. Sanding and filling and sanding and filling.
I'll fill you.
There may be some painting. What about some sealing? All of that. And now we're deaf. What?
Hey?
What do you
I
say?
actually generally cannot hear very well.
My ears are ringing.
Yeah,
Ding,
you stood
ding.
at the back of the car whilst I
Yeah.
was cutting at the front.
Well, what are you going to do? Stand at the back and cut at the front?
Well, I heard you scared.
Wow, how big's your fucking disc?
Not big.
That's what she said.
No, look at it. It's... Mate, I've,
Did you say it's not big?
I've worn out quite a lot of that disc.
Apparently it's not big, we'll leave it there.
So we're now getting ready to start primering the engine bay. So we've sanded it all, done everything that we can really. We've put a clear coat of seal over the towers there and run them down the back of the tubs and down there as well. So we've just wiped all the stuff off the metal that we're going to be painting. We're going to put like a cover down, obviously, in the engine bay over the subframe and all, so if we don't get that. But yeah, so we're going to give it a go at primer, and I mean, it can go one of two ways. If it goes wrong, we'll do it again. If it looks half decent, then ideal. But we will try and show you a outcome.
To be fair, it's come out alright though. Like quite. Huh? Can't help it, mate. We'll just keep rubbing it back and do it again.
I actually think some of it is the actual paint itself.
So we're still painting, and you can see some of it's reacted, like here. Coming around. We put quite a good layer on. John's side has reacted really bad. It's quite a lot of it. Come out. Oh, it's reacted quite bad, isn't it?
Mate,
I don't know what it's reacted to, but
like even all.
Yeah.
I mean, we've cleaned it all down, everything like that. So it just, I don't know.
So we're gonna have to keep rubbing it back and trying again. Let's throw some more coats down, rub it back, and we'll update you in a minute. But it's getting pretty fumey in here. What do you reckon, John?
No, I'm struggling to breathe.
Both struggling to breathe. So on the coupe now, we've done, what's this, John? Our second, third coat?
Like 10?
I'm just going to wipe the camera. Yeah, like 10th coat. No, it's not. It's like third coat. And this is, oh, pardon me. This is what she's looking like. So that's my side. All looking pretty yum yum.
What are you saying yum yum for, son?
Oh yeah, the Gram was on the phone. She said something about yum yum, toad in the hole. John's still spraying. Right, you, John.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice fag in your mouth while you're painting.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, no worries. No lettuce. Yeah. No reactions whatsoever on this side. None here at all. You know, still. But no, we was focusing on this bit, to be fair, and it's come out really decent.
It kept reacting there, so I just sanded it all back down and started it again. But mad ado, obviously, in that bit there and up at the top, I'm going to smack you in the face in a minute.
Why?
I don't know, just for fun of it.
Are you talking? Yeah, that's it. Wave your fag over it.
But yeah, it'll get there.
I'm pretty sure we say we'll get there every single video.
Pretty much.
Do you know why? It's because we're getting there. Yeah, brilliant. You sprayed my BC Racing coilovers that I
Yeah.
haven't got yet.
You think I care? £5.
£5 yum yum.
Bit way to
But-
video, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's pretty much all we're doing today. What do you reckon, John? You'll probably do like one more coat,
Yeah.
but I
Yeah, I want
that's
to try
pretty
getting
much
all
done.
that. Oh mate, why the fuck's there still a clip there?
A what?
Bit black.
Your what?
Clip.
Clit is black. That's racist.
I'll give you a racist in a
Black
minute.
clips latter. Latter? Matter. Go on, give her a good fucking spray on there. Go on. Spraying up. Oh, you hit the bulkhead. And I'll hit you. So yeah, we're in the video there. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Like I say, as always, like, comment, subscribe. We'll try to get back to you in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.